fucking hate waste. Or so I thought. We shouldn't even talk about waste. We should talk about materials and products. At Soilfood, we utilize side streams and waste as raw materials for products used in agriculture and industry. Every ton of valuable material has a meaning. Let's not waste any opportunities to do things better. And now, let me tell you a story. Let the past decade guide us into the future. It all started in 2015 when 4 visionaries came together. Ilkka, Elias, Saara, and Juuso had one shared goal: to create a company as a tool to change the world for the better. And so, Soilfood was born. Soon, everything started moving fast. Soilfood began offering side stream processing services to industries and refining agricultural inputs. The agricultural market served as a springboard, and productization took off. Lime products, fertilizers, and soil improvement fibers became central. Every effort was focused on improving soil fertility and making food production more sustainable. Growth accelerated. Soilfood developed new circular economy products for farms and recycled raw materials for industries through significant investments in research and development. The quality of lime products has already been refined down to the smallest detail. Particle size achieved in products designed for industries is now incredibly fine. Yes, a material that was once considered waste. Our work is gaining attention and recognition. Today, Soilfood is a Nordic circular economy company. Every recycled ton, every partner moves us closer to our shared goal: a world where natural resources are used wisely. Globally, we still waste opportunities to do things better, even though the solutions already exist. Together, we can transform industrial side streams into valuable resources that promote sustainability and reduce environmental impact. Circular economy is happening here and now, and we want you to join. We didn't just create a sustainable solution, we also want it to be the most profitable one. The choice has never been easier. A win for everyone. Changing the world for the better doesn't require reckless courage. What's reckless is doing nothing.